Hi! In front of me is OUKITEL C33, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access About Phone section. Then click on Device Name and type in wherever you wish to. In my case, Sunny. When you're done, click OK in Device Name pop-up, and then OK in another one about visibility. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!